Next, I'd like to introduce you to the basics of routing. As you can see, from the Billing tab in the Customer Master screen, next to where we added the charges, you can add routes in the exact same way by right-clicking in the empty space, clicking Add Route. For a more detailed view of your routes, you'll want to go to the Routes tab of your Customer Master screen. Before we add any routes, we'll first need to define the types of routes I have. To get to that screen, you'll want to go to Setup, then Route, then Types. As you can see, I already have 5 different types of routes defined. If I'd like to add a new one to the list, click on New, add the code, and then the description. Then click Save. You'll notice that it was added to the list. You don't have to worry about the days of the week here. On the Customer Master record, you'll be able to choose one of these routes and then specify what day or days they fall on. Also, if there is more than one of each of these routes, you don't have to list them here. The next step will define if there's more than one of each route. Next, go to Setup, then Route, then Detail. This step is only required after you've created your route types. In this screen, you have to click New, select a route type, then enter the number of that route. Now if you have 2 of that type, go through the same motions again, but this time you'll enter in a 2 for the route number. Then hit Save. This shows that you have 2 different test routes. The numbers underneath the days of the week represent how many customers are assigned to that route. Now keep in mind, you can't manually enter numbers in those fields, so we'll have to go back to the Customer Master. Now if we want to add that customer to the route we just created, we want to right-click in the white space, click Add Route, hit the New button. Next you want to select your billing code associated with this route. You'll select the type of route, and in the number before the slash, you'll put the route number. So in this case, if this was test route number 2, we put 002, and then after the slash, we put the stop number. Let's say that this is the first stop of the day. We'll put a 1 after the slash and hit Save. If you ever need to resequence your routes, what that will do is separate each stop number so that you can put new stop numbers in between. If you ever need to edit this route or add another day, just double click on that route. The edit routing will come back up. You can add a day, save it, and it'll appear in the route window. As you can see, adding routes is quick and easy, and you can also view your routes from the billing window.